Alright folks, this is Amtrak train number 11, code Starlight. Now departing the Oakland at London Square Station, a 319 ALC 42 leading off. And the second ALC 42 tailing in the back, which is 305. Alright, this is code Starlight. And over there is Amtrak 712 with the 2007 leading off. We're a horn show for Coast Starlight 11 with 319 leading off. Did you guys know 319 was my first ALC 42 I rode behind when it was leading on the 14 before? And 305 is tailing in the back. The sleepers are in the front. Diner car. The Louds car. Have a safe trip, you guys, going towards SoCal. Have a safe trip to SoCal. Then you got two coaches in the back. All right, folks. They got that train going southbound to Los Angeles. Heads up to David Jones. That train is going to San Jose first to your hometown. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. That train has a diverting green to go towards the other track. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.